Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, retained accessory power, cargo area light, overhead console, trip odometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.